If you found us from an online search, you came to the right place. Please give us 2 minutes to explain why.
Do you have a desire to build your new home, or secondary dwelling, and save thousands of dollars as owner-builder for a kit home? Are you concerned it may take too long to build, or that you may have difficulty achieving a professional finish? Imagine if there was a kit home, where each wall section contained a steel frame, rigid foam insulation, internal lining and external cladding, and was delivered in modular panels that took just 3 steps to stand. And what if these panels could be rendered externally and painted internally, to give the smooth line finish of a master-built home, to add great value to any property? Panelock Building Solutions, new structural insulated panel kit homes, have the answers, and deliver Australia-wide.
For more information, please click the link below or give us a call.